Somewhere for you to get back up. That's beautiful. I bet they're so tiny though. Little paddle. There's another one of those dog shops. Dog statue, should we get one? No. Oh, stop it. You gonna come back there? No, we'll go back. What's up, Benny? Is that a little duck? I love people. Imagine walking through that. I'm trying to vlog.
Oh, Molly.
Imagine walking through there with all those people and being like, hi, so today I'm just going round, walking on the wall. How do you do that? When it was like COVID times.
Oh, that Christmas shop.
No, we didn't.
No, we got a coffee, yeah.
Is that your mate's shop? Is he in there? No.
I don't think it's his.
No, you don't think
that
it's
was
his?
lucky.
I know, perfect timing.
Another fucking downpour.
No, I mean, you're a child's dad. What the hell? I know.
I'm just not made for vlogging in public. We've come to the frog mill.
Why are you whispering?
Because I can't see it in front of people. It's embarrassing. Do you want to play chase? Do you want to play chase? Super cute. The snug, that's really cute. The snug, that looks cute. What do you think we are in here or in there? What do you think we are?
He's like right. The other day,
Yeah. Hi. Can I get you any other drinks? Could I get a margarita, please? Of course. Oh, is that what I can hear?
Massive. Oh my god, I feel like a fat bastard now.
Delicious.
I wonder what you did.
We're staying here at the Weechy Inn. It's like the perfect in-between spot for everywhere you want to go in the Cotswolds. Hi babies! How are we all doing? Hi! Thank you, thank you!
Look at all this shit in there. A little bit of that.
I'm looking to see a Chilean sea bass. That on the sideboard? No, I see no bass. I'm going to kill that son of a bitch. Fuck here! This son of a bitch. Did you move my fish? I'm talking to you. Did you move my fish?
I mean, it is just hot chocolates right now, isn't it, really?
This guy is an Arctic char? Arctic char. You can never son of a bitch. I'm fraud by the front door. It's a warning you has no effect.
It's under here in the basket then, babe.
Okay.
The club. Labor Day weekend. Big clam bake.
I literally declutter everything from bags to shoes to pajamas, clothes, obviously. I do the full shebang. So let's whip all of this crap out. This is just something that I like. If I don't do, I lose my sanity. Are we doing this together right now? That's kind of cute if we are. This is a dress I wore when I proposed to Lou. And I always keep it out because you can wear it with tights and boots and stuff like that. Oh, love this. one of my hen party dresses. I spilt an entire, well I didn't spill it, my mom did. She literally like chucked an entire jug over me and Lou. Like literally a jug all over both of us. It was everywhere. The second we got there. There's a chance if I don't wear them this year I'm going to get rid of those. That's definitely summer. And you're definitely summer as well. Oops. Good morning, we're officially doing our autumn switchover. I've just got a face mask on. I don't think you can see it, but if my face looks a bit like weird and you can kind of see it a little bit. It looks a bit orange. I'm using the Drunk Elephant. I think it's called the Baby Facial, I'm pretty sure. If you enjoy organisation stuff like that, you'd enjoy this. I've done all the wardrobes nicely, everything's been tidied up. I worked so hard on this. Being tidy and stuff doesn't come naturally to me. Almost finished with this as well. And this new desk setup is very cute, even though I got roasted for it on TikTok. So put wallpaper on the landing walls. It's like this textured herringbone. It feels really nice. I think it's, is it like grass? Something like that? Grass, I can't remember. But it just looks a lot cozier and a lot warmer up here. Do a little haul of the stuff that we got. I got this on TikTok. I love this. These are from last year. We do have a collection of items because we're enthusiastic. Lou stole a lid.
No, I didn't. Don't
She
put
did.
that on there.
At TK Maxx. We have a criminal in the house.
Oh, babe, do you know what we need to get?
Wait.
What? Read my mind. The magic thing that we need to have. I'll give you a hint. Whilst doing this.
A pumpkin spice latte. A hot chocolate.
With
Baileys.
yes, Baileys. Go on then.
You say yes, baby?
Yes, Baileys.
Oh.
You got there, see? Do you know where they are?
Oh no, this is a little bit Halloweeny, but it's cute. No, I like a little haunted house. It's sweet. And it lights up as well, so it's cute.
Yeah, it's alright like that.
Soon.
Because it's a bit too much.
Yeah.
Everything else is fine, because everything else is
That's soon.
it's literally just like
The Christmas basket.
you see it then.
Yeah. What's wrong with me? When I tell you this is easy, like I promise you, it's easy. I'm not good at cooking. So I've just got 4 like big tomatoes, 1 white onion. Oh, I need to cut the bum off of that. And then loads of just like cherry tomatoes that I found in the fridge. I just eyeball this, honestly. 1 garlic, just cut the top off of it. And then let's season. Seasoning's pretty easy. We're gonna go in with olive oil. Quite a little bit. All over. I'm going to do a little bit of crushed chili. I don't like to go too heavy-handed in with this because I made it once and it was too spicy for me. A bit of onion granules. Onion salt, preferably. Oregano. Oh. A little, I eyeball all of this, say like a teaspoon per one, I guess. A little bit of thyme. This is just sea salt. And pepper. I'm gonna give it a little jiggle. And then I've got my oven on 200 degrees. And I would also put basil. If I was using like dried basil, I would have put that on now, but I'm using fresh, so I'm waiting. And then I'm gonna pop her in for like 20-25 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. I'm just gonna prep for the grilled cheese. You can use all vegan or dairy-free ingredients if you want to. I'm using a gluten-free sourdough loaf. I like to toast gluten-free bread first because it's just not the same texture as like normal bread, so it just helps get like a more bready texture, otherwise it's a bit cakey. And then a trick I learned to make the best grilled cheese is just put a little bit of mayonnaise on the inside. Just like a light coat. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Yeah. Nice and roasted. Tablespoon of tomato puree in. I'm gonna pop half a tablespoon of sugar and vegetable stock cube in here.
The next minute you'll be barking and you'll want to come out there, so...
Absolutely delicious. Stunning scene.